Hey Spinks. This is Lexsa with another wig install. This is another synthetic that I have for you guys. Yes, I am trying to put more synthetic wigs back into my content, okay? More synthetics, because it's honestly given we need to talk about the way these wigs have been, I mean, amazing, like freaking amazing. So today we're going to talk about Sensational, their Butta lace, okay? Butta, 100% premium fiber, HD lace, virtually undetectable. Like, you don't have to pluck it, you don't have to do anything, you just have to slap on the wig and go. I do have the color, what is it, Balayage, you know what, I'm not even gonna do this to myself. Balayage gold. I don't know how to pronounce words today. It's okay, because we just it's real. But I got it in gold, and I honestly wanted the highlights to kind of be soft, but still give me a little bit of, you know, a little bit of flair with my hair, and I feel like this definitely did the job. So if you are interested in this wig, you saw it online, but you want to get the full scoop, full details, make sure that you keep watching this video. But if you haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I do talk about hair, beauty, girl talk, and nursing content. I love me some synthetic wigs. So if you are a girl that's like, no, like, I love me some synthetic wigs too, make sure that you subscribe, because I talk about real hair wigs, synthetic wigs, all types of wigs. I just love hair. So if you are interested in that, and that's the reason why you clicked on the video, subscribe, girl, like, come on. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, so you don't miss out and they don't sell out and you miss out on, you know, this bust down right here, because I do like to post it on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter beforehand, before I drop it on YouTube. So after all that, yeah, like, let's just get into this install, which is literally 5 seconds, and my review on the hair. Okay, so you guys can see my natural hair. I have been hiding it for a little while because, oof, it's just been growing. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far, so I'm excited. Soon it'll be 1 year since I've cut my hair in September, so it's coming, even though it's kind of far. I feel like it's around the corner. But right now, as you can see, I am starting to tint the lace. When I told you guys it literally took me 2 seconds, it took me 2 seconds, okay? I did not pluck. I did not add baby hairs. I wanted this to look like the most natural, flawless Naomi Campbell middle part. I just wanted it to look so clean and sleek and sexy, and I feel like I definitely achieved that. So this is how it looks right out the pack. I didn't add my hot comb yet, and I was like, okay, this is cute. But yeah, we need to cut that lace, all right? Because that lace was making it look like a hat, and I despise when my wigs look like hats. I didn't want to say hate, but you know, I despise. I strongly dislike. So for this wig, you can just kind of cut a straight line, to be honest with you. It's not a lot of lace, but the lace that is shown, which is the middle part, is very, very important. So you can either cut with scissors or use a razor. I did both to show that you can use both. But, you know, it's entirely up to you and what resources you have. But either is fine. I really prefer to use a razor. And as you can see, it's coming together. I honestly didn't even need to use a flat iron, but I did anyway. I was combing through, brushing through, did my little middle part with the makeup. And as you can see, it's coming together. Like, this hair is so beautiful. I particularly like the gold color on my complexion. I don't know, it's something about it. I usually do better with like wigs with red undertone, but I'm feeling the contrast. I'm feeling the contrast. However, when I did do my makeup, I wanted to make sure my makeup also had that yellow undertone. So that's something to just be mindful of since it is a very golden color. You kind of want your makeup to complement it. As you can see, my face is a little bit more red, but when I did have on my makeup, it kind of neutralized my face a little bit. And I think it's just incredible. Like, look at how cute and melted this lace is. Oh my goodness. So definitely beginner friendly. Just girl trying a wig for the first time, beginner friendly. And once I did that makeup, y'all, once I flattened that hair and did the makeup, listen, you'll see. You'll see the transformation. And this is the only thing I did to flatten the hair. I did not put that comb through the hair. I just flattened the top a little bit, and you're going to see the results. Okay guys, so this is probably one of the most flattering wigs that I've worn in a while. I don't know, I feel like the twins from ATL, like one of the twins, I forget their names, but you know who I'm talking about, like Nunu's besties. That's how I kind of feel with this hair. It's super cute. I only flattened the part and put a little bit of tint in the lace, but I just cut the lace and you know, it's not even glued down. So this is definitely a wig that you can just put on in less than 2 minutes and leave the house and still look like you took your time to get ready. Overall, like, I will say this company has very good lace. Like, if you want a fast, fine wig, this is going to be the wig for you. Like, come on now. Come on now. And I can put my fingers through it and everything. It is tangling just a little bit, but after I put my fingers in the hair a couple times, it does go through. Particularly, I love this color. I don't know, it's just like so soft. I don't know, maybe it's the makeup too, but overall I will say this hair is a 10 out of 10. So if you guys want to see more synthetic wigs and how I slay them and make it look like the best bust down you've ever seen, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Like, come on, like come on now, like, come on now, this is so cute. But let me know what you guys think about this hair, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.